Hello everyone, I'm Helene and welcome to Cabin Fever Crochet, a yarn happy little getaway and beyond. Here I offer a variety of tutorials, demos, reviews, occasional yarn store tour, show and tell, chit chat, and with slices of other life's interests along the way, which is the beyond portion, and that may include a cooking, baking series, nature excursions, because I live in northeastern Washington state, and as you can see, nature abounds here, and I live near several lakes, rivers, mountains, and I like to go on location, take my yarn and you along with me, and so many different interests that I like to share, and I hope that you will continue to join me on this journey. So please take care, everyone, and I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.